We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we're looking at a 2016 BMW F 700 GS. Super fun trail bike, super fun commuter bike, super fun adventure bike. It's got a little bit of everything on it already. Starting at the bottom up, it has that TourTech skid plate. It has the extra fog lights, grate on the headlights, hand guards, heated grips, really nice windshield. And I think the nicest thing on this bike is these GoPro bags. They're also locking. Miles are really low. We are just under 9,000. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides.